Hey everybody, how you doing? So now that you're learning a little bit more about the CBD oil, you're probably wondering, how do I use it? What's the application process? How can I get this into my system and how can I get it there fast? So there's a few different ways. There is topically, there is diffusing, and then there's also a little trick called the belly button application. It has a fancy name. Pechoti, I believe it's Pechoti technique. I'll go over that. Vaping, and the most beneficial way of getting the CBD oil into your body, which is a 98% absorption rate, is sublingually, which is actually underneath your tongue. So that actually gets into your bloodstream immediately when you apply it. So you just take your bottle, and then you take a couple drops, and you just place it underneath your tongue. You usually start with 3 to 5 drops twice a day is our recommendation. And then depending on your illnesses and if it's chronic or not, you can then increase accordingly. I personally take 10 drops 3 times a day, and it's been working great, and I've been doing that for about 8 months now. So you can apply it topically. So you can apply it to your achy muscles and sore joints just by putting a couple drops onto your area of interest, and then you can just rub that in and you can get some relief. It also helps with skin and nourishing the skin that way. And we also have some creams that Amy will be talking about a little bit either before or after this video. I'm not sure where it's at in the sequence. But you can also then do diffusing. I have a diffuser here, so I just added a few little drops to that. About 5 drops is what I usually do, and it helps me sleep at night, it helps me focus, it helps me concentrate. I feel more rested when I get up in the morning, and I put the peppermint in there so then that way I can have that scent. You can use the natural, whatever one you prefer. Either one will work. And I just wipe out my diffuser at the end of each use, and then apply the water and apply the, you can use the essential oils with it as well. They can mix well together, and that's fine. It's not going to hurt it. The belly button technique, not going to show you my belly button, but you just put a couple drops into the belly button, and then I just rub it in so it doesn't get onto my clothes. If it does, it's not going to hurt your clothing at all. But and I do that at night as well to try to just get it through my body, because there's a everybody is born with an umbilical cord, and so within that umbilical cord there's a Pechoti gland that remains. So Western medicine doesn't usually use that, but there's a lot of cultures like in India and that use this therapy and this method, and that's a normal thing that they do. You can also get a vape pen, and you can put the vape pen in there. You want to make sure that it's it can handle the oil, the thickness of the oil, and it needs to be a cold vape. And then, so that's how you can get that into your body. I prefer the sublingual and the diffusing. Those are my go-tos, and then I do the belly button application at night. Okay, I'm hoping that gives you some information and get you to start. And again, make sure that you reach out to the person that invited you to this event, and we can get you your bottle of CBD oil. Okay.